Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare authentic South Indian idli sambar recipe. To make traditional South Indian idli sambar recipe, we will cook soft steamed rice, lentil cakes, idlis along with tangy aromatic lentils and vegetables sambar. This classic recipe balances clean, gentle steaming with rich depth of roasted spices. Ingredient needed for this idli sambar recipe. For the fluffy idlis we need idli batter 2 to 3 cups well fermented, oil or desi ghee 1 tablespoon to grease the molds. Also for sambar base and vegetables we need tur dal, pigeon peas lentil half cup. Next we need tomato 1 large finely chopped, sambar powder masala 2 tablespoon, salt for taste. For tempering a tadka we need 2 tablespoon of oils, mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, dry red chilies powder 1 tablespoon, coriander leaves 2 tablespoon. First step is to steam the fluffy idlis. Boil water in your idli steamer or large pot on medium heat. Grease the idli plate's cavity lightly with oil or ghee. Pour the batter in each and every mold until they are full. Steam for 10 to 12 minutes until the toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cook for 2 minutes. Sprinkle tiny dash of water over them. Gently demold using a wet spoon. Keep them covered to retain moisture. Grease each and every plate of molds. Rub few drops of oil or ghee onto each idli mold. Pour carefully the fermented batter into each mold until it is 3/4 full. Steam generation is very important. Trapping steam early ensures the idlis rise instantly and stay soft. After all the molds are filled with idli batter, carefully drop the assembled idli stand into the steaming pot containing the boiling water. Close the lid tightly. If using pressure cooker, do not put the weight on whistle. Maintain medium-high heat and steam uninterrupted for exactly 10 minutes. Do not steam past 15 minutes. The moisture will evaporate. Open the lid and insert the wet toothpick or knife into the center of idlis. If it comes out clean, the idlis are well cooked. If wet batter sticks to it, steam for 2 more minutes. Remove the entire stand from the pot and let it cool open air for 3 minutes. Dip a spoon or butter knife into bowl of cold water. Unstick edges. Run the wet spoon gently along circular edge of each idli to loosen it. Slide the spoon underneath and lift the idli out smoothly. The bottom should be completely clean. Second step is to prepare the tadka for sambar. Place your tadka pan on medium heat. Add oil or desi ghee. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and wait until they completely crackle and pop. Add ginger garlic paste, cumin seeds. Stir it well. Garlic paste contains water and burns very quickly in smoking hot oil. Turn the flame down to low right before adding it. If you prefer richer flavor, you can use 50% of ginger garlic paste instead of pure garlic. Add fresh green coriander leaves and stir it well. Turn the flame to low so the dry spice powder do not burn. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Also add Sambar masala 2 tablespoons. Add and stir it well. Dump all 3 powders directly into the pan with oil, garlic and stir rapidly, continuously for 20 seconds. The dry spices will bloom in the hot oil, losing their raw taste and turning deep red. Immediately pour the dal, mash and cook before directly into the spice tempering pan. It allows the lentils to immediately absorb all roasted spices flavor from the bottom of pan. Use a spatula to stir vigorously, scraping the bottom of pan to lift up any stuck garlic, onion and spice powder. Let the dal or lentils bubble on medium-low heat for 3 to 4 minutes so it absorbs the garlic and sambar masala flavor. Add half to 1 cup of warm water if the lentils or dal looks too thick. Add salt for taste. Sambar should be pourable, soup-like consistency. If you have separately boiled vegetables like drumsticks, carrots or pumpkins, mix them into the dal or lentil curry. Also you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tamarind extract for that essential sour punch. Let the entire mixture boil together for 5 minutes on low heat. Serve your 2 to 3 steaming hot idlis with sambar and enjoy the meal. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.